Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Not really much to change and update since the last video, so feel free to take a look at the previous video for some more updates. At the moment we still have the two possible scenarios here that all of this is or was a wave 1. This could be nearly done. Limit here for this scenario would be that ADA doesn't go above 42 cents. If it does, we're in a different wave structure. In a much more bullish one that could seriously take us to 50-60 cents. Yeah, but at the moment I'm looking at this as a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with an ending diagonal here, which could be finished. Again, it can push a bit higher, but it shouldn't really go above 42 cents. If it does, it would sort of invalidate this structure. I would have to find a different structure to count it, because the wave 5 of 5 here should not be longer than the third wave. It would make the wave 3 the shortest wave, and that's not possible as per Elliott wave, not even in a diagonal pattern. But when this is done, and it could be done or nearly done, this wave 5, then we can come down in this wave 2 correction, and the signal for that would be a break below 37.1 cent. Very first signal would be a break below the trend line here. But just to make sure we don't get a fake out, it would be nice to get a sustained break below 37.1 cent first. Then we've got the other possibility that this is all of this was a wave 1, 2, and this is another 1, 2 in a leading diagonal, this wave 1. That would be a much more bullish count. We would also break out of the wedge to the downside. So these are two scenarios that point down first. But yeah, we can focus on this one. Should we really break below 37.1? Then we can discuss, are we in the larger wave 2 or are we in a more shallow wave 2, which belongs just to this wave 1 here. Until then, this here is my view that we have this 5-wave move nearly done and we're going to come down in ABC. So we've got this one, which is one main scenario, or the other one, which I find less likely because it would be much more bullish in the short term, which I cannot really see yet if I compare to the remaining crypto market, but I think it's worth knowing that it is there. And if we really get a substantial break above 42 cents, which is that sort of limit for this count here, then I have to count it a different way. Then I'll have to find a way to make this work, which I explained in the last video. And then we would have the situation that I had a 1-2 setup here. This was also a 1-2 setup. And yeah, possibly here at the moment another 1-2 setup of some sort, and we could be rallying now higher, and it would take us, way into the 50-60 cent level, and we would probably not get a key retracement. Yeah, we would then operate against the last swing low wave 2 here of around 36.6 cents. So this would send us higher, and if we break above the 42 cent level, I would have to seriously explore it. So be warned that we could get some more serious upside here. I cannot see it at the moment primarily, but if the chart puts it in place, then we can follow it. Yeah, but it would be really a very, very bullish count. It's one that I had on the chart a week ago already, but as we just carried on with this diagonal pattern, I actually saw this strong move down. I did take it off the chart, but yeah, please keep it in mind, and we might have to go back to it. I'm certainly observing that, but at the moment, due to many other coins also putting in, I think, local highs, I'm going to be focused on this one primarily, but please be aware that 42 cents is something like a critical breakout point, and we may have to change things when we get to that point. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.